That's Hiccup. That's the little monster that has been keeping me awake for the past year and a half. Look at his cute little face. Hi, baby.